Bajato presents TL333 rear combination lamp replacement for Mercedes Actros. This is a majestic lamp with 6 chambers and 7 functions. This has a nice striped design in the lens. It has 7 functions, which are tail stop function, rear fog function, indicator function, reverse function, number plate function, and side reflector. It is a flat base lamp. There are 2 holes for the fitment and the center distance of the holes is 198 mm. This comes in a set of left and right. This is the other side of the lamp. These lamps can be used as universal application lamps also. You can use these in trailers and other trucks also. You can use both 12-volt 24-volt bulbs in these lamps. It has a 3-part assembly. We have the lens, the reflector, and we have the flat housing. This is strong and heavy-duty lamp. Now I show you another variant of TL333. This is TL333S, where S stands for socket. This has a 7-pin socket as per the OEM fitment. With the help of this socket you can easily fix this lamp onto the vehicles and connect them to the vehicle female side socket. This is a strong and reliable product from Bajato, and when you buy this you get value for money and long product life.